This is my quick Everlights review. Before I get into falling off the roof, the best thing about Everlights is that the kids love it. They have so much fun changing the colors and patterns and more. Oh, and the hours? These bulbs are rated for 55,000 hours of lighting time. If you ran these lights for 6 hours a night, every night of the year, these lights would last you 25 years. If you only use the Everlights autopilot, then these bulbs will last you 155 years. The autopilot automatically turns on pre-programmed light themes on 59 days of the year for different holidays. And again, it would last you 155 years. That's insane. Okay, the ladder. When putting lights on, my ladder gave out on me, dropping me from the second-story roof to the first-story roof, and I was lucky enough to stop myself before I rolled off and fell all the way to the ground. Also, my cheap lights gave out. I spoke to my neighbors about light services they may know of, and there are many options, but basically they provide durable commercial lights, they put them on your home for the Christmas holidays, and then after the holidays are over, they take them off and store them for you. My quote was $200 for lights, and then $200 every year for them to put them up, take them down, and store them. Then a friend told me about Everlights, a permanent LED lighting solution. My quote was for $2,500 and I instantly said hell no. But then I realized how long these lights would last. If I paid people yearly, in 10 years I've almost paid the same amount that these fun LED lights would cost. And again, the fun. Lights for birthdays, for high school games, college, pro, you name it, you can have these lights on in any combination, any color, and the kids have a ton of fun with it. So yeah, easy, Everlights.